If you're seeing this, we are in a snowstorm right now.
Putting this on the channel.
Yeah. Thank God we're safe though. We got into the garage just in time.
Well, the blizzard hit us.
At least we're safe now. We got a fire.
Heater, actually. At least we did get one. Wait a second.
What? What is it?
Really?
That's why they need a generator in here. Do you know her password? Or are you just going to browse as a guest?
Her password should be on here. Yep, here we go.
Are you in?
Not yet. I'm already connected.
Shit, we don't have any. The internet servers are down.
I'm on Netflix.
Really? Yeah, see, Netflix isn't responding.
See how it's actually working. Maybe YouTube. There's Roblox on here. Gosh, the new corpse. I don't think there's anything.
At least we're safe.
Shoot now. Shoot now. Damn it.
Oh.
Fuck, this thing's coming apart.
Should we
I
leave?
need to get out of here.
Should I stop recording?
Got your glove? No. Keep recording.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put on my glove.
We're gonna unplug this heater before it burns the place.
Okay. Just to give you guys information, we are currently out here. The old fucking roller's down, and I got my pistol, but it's fucking out. So let's go down to the light down there and see if we can.
Hey, the safe house should have the shovel. The giant bear axe. The shovel.
Guys,
Other way.
if we don't post, we're probably dead. These are our footsteps, by the way. I don't think you should pee out here, bro.
Hey, don't film it.
Hey, don't film it. No, as y'all guys can clearly see, we are fucking in our town, Waverly, Tennessee, and the lights have stopped working as they were working before, and we are in some pretty extreme conditions right now. I feel like we're the fucking Weather Channel right now. You going inside? Can you all please comment down below if y'all been in situations like this ever before? We are begging you. Because we really need to know.
Can we get the heater again?
I mean, we can. Yeah. God's not happy right now.
Yeah.
Not. Get in, go, go, go. Get in, get in. Oh my god. Holy shit. Fuck.
So we need to go inside.
For real?
I'm serious. Run, run, run!
Shit, shit. What?
I gotta get my mom's laptop.
Holy fuck.
What is it?
We almost died out there.
Why?
Cause the winds are extreme right now. Zayden almost got pushed over and I saved him.